I designed the GRIP6 belt because there was 3 things that I hated about belts. The problem with a leather belt is you have all these holes, but you only use one of them, so you've got all these ugly holes that are still there. You have the flap hanging out, and it's heavy and bulky and it sticks out under your shirt. So when I designed the GRIP6 belt, I made sure it was lightweight, low profile, didn't have any holes, and I made sure there was no flap. I started in 2014 with a Kickstarter project. I just kind of pushed it out there on the internet and it took off and it did really well. The GRIP6 belt's a friction belt, so it can lock anywhere that you need it, so it's infinitely adjustable. The flap actually tucks on the inside instead of hanging on the outside, so you don't have the flap hanging out. And because of how low profile it is, it just sits flat against your body right underneath your shirt. You never know you're wearing a belt. The belt's a little bit unique in the way you put it on. It's different from other belts. It sometimes takes people a day or two to get used to it, but as soon as they do, they completely love it. We come up with designs on a regular basis to push ourselves. We try out new finishes. We try to do new things with our laser. The types of straps, the colors, the belt combinations, and the interchangeability. It's like thousands of combinations. I made the GRIP6 belt for myself. I love it, I use it. It turns out a lot of other people love it and use it, including everybody here at GRIP6. We go to great lengths to make these ourselves so that we can control the quality and guarantee them for life and know that our customers can come back to us if they have any problems. To think that I came up with a belt that nobody had come up with before and people really love it, I mean, it's a good feeling, it's cool.